Thought I'd go through some tips and help create some movement in your decoys. I've got 3 rubber bands. These aren't the rubber bands that I use. The rubber bands I use are a lot stiffer. You want stiff because you want the bird to go out and stay and come back and stay. And you want to be able to move it any amount you want without it wiggling. But you get this right stiffness of rubber bands on it, and it'll pull out there and hold solid, and it'll return and be solid. I put this, after hooking those rubber bands to that swivel, hook it to the back of the tee, put this swivel through. I've created took a heavy gauge wire, wrapped it around a wood dowel and created a loop, okay? I put that loop in the ground where I want it to turn to. I take that swivel and I hook it in the swivel that's got the rubber bands on it. When you pull on the string, the decoy turns to that swivel. Wherever you put that swivel, that's where it's going to go to. The decoy will turn and it'll turn back. That little movement's all it takes. A quarter turn. And you can make it turn a quarter turn. It all depends on where you put that loop. It'll pull it right to wherever that loop is. So I hope this works for you.